Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, kind of underexposed film. I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. We use filter called Find Edges. Well, since the reversal film is pretty underexposed, so this pencil drawing type image is also grainy and not much, couldn't find edge much, huh? Well, but I wanted make something different or interesting image from these two. Well, because I like this expression of her face and I like this exposed shadow area. I don't know how it's gonna turn out in watercolor image. That's, well, my subject today. Well, let's get started. Okay. I'm going to move this empty layer in between these two and I'm going to turn this base image tone down, but I want to try some kind of expression of shadow side though. I always want to do watercolor expression of the shadow, so this time, well, hopefully it's gonna be success. Okay, now I'm gonna choose watercolor brush. First I go from watercolor wash flat. Let's see it. And this is shadow and I see this green in the shadow here and here background. But I see magenta-ish on her face, so I go from blue magenta on this shadow side. It's oozing alright, but the shape is not that what I wanted. Expected. So I'm going to change the brush to, well, this time back to wash flat again, but different color. No, I don't think it's right. Well, I'm going to add one more layer and I'm going to turn this layer off. Then I'm going to do it again on this layer. Okay, go for blue watercolor first. Now I'm gonna go wash soft first. Then I'm gonna go pink with wash flat. Okay, I'm gonna add water, no color. Turn this base image off. Still really very sad. Well, I can duplicate this layer to make it a little bit darker so you guys see easy, huh? It's kind of messy look. Let's see if I add water with this watercolor wash soft, only water. It's gonna mix up the colors. I want to see the texture though. Let me see, I have two layers, same one, but I'm adding water on layer of this. So I'm gonna turn this one off. Let's see on this. I'll show you. I'm gonna duplicate this layer again. So it's mixing, but I don't see the texture of the water. Wash this brush. So I'm gonna turn this one off. Not very sad. Well, just make it smaller and then mixing. Oh, this one. Okay, just leave it here, but let's see it. Go darker. Of course, this is only layer, but it's not what I want and expected. Well, it's not easy, huh? Okay, turn this one off. Then let's see this one. No, I don't like this, so I'm gonna delete. Then how about this one? No, delete. First one, no, delete. Okay, very last one. No. Okay, I'm gonna leave this, then add layer again. Then turn this one off. I wanna see this. Okay, now different way. I'm gonna try. Now I'm gonna go a little bit dark. Watercolor. Colors same, bluer. Then use wash flat. A little bit close, but brush size is too small, I think. So leave this one, then I'm gonna add layer, turn this one off. I'm gonna try again. No, I'm gonna change color. Not quite. Now I'm gonna add layer. Then this time I'm using a round detail, same one. Then magenta. Well, mixing colors are close, but shape, your watercolor brush texture is alright. Well, if I duplicate layer, it's easy to see. Okay, just leave it this way now. Now this is shadow. I'm gonna add another layer for the other side of the face, like this shadow area. Well, I'm gonna make mask later on, so I'm not only painting watercolor image from this photograph. I'm gonna combine together to the base image, so I just go forward. Well, I will continue to paint on this layer, her hairs and stuff. Add another layer here for base. Okay, I kind of like this. Okay, this is face and hair, right? This one is I just add shadow side of the hair, head and hair. Then this is face, two of them, same. I think I just wanna density, so I duplicate copy. So if I turn this one off, one layer goes real light, half of the density. So now I'm going to continue to add some, well, let's see. I can combine with base image. That's the density of the skin tone. Just want to get the texture of watercolor here. Well, I'm going to add, let's see about this pencil drawing type image, turn this one on, then I'm going to change the blend mode, like luminosity. This is pretty cool. What if I can much more density, like I don't know if you guys can see this touch green cast on here and blue cast on here per face. Okay, just leave this one and let me try this. Okay, first select multiple 1 2 3 4. Not this one, this is not showing, so base. Okay, 5 layers. I'm going to duplicate layers, 5 layers, then merged 5 layers. This is one image. It's double now. Look, once you turn it off, you see the help. Then I'm going to copy, duplicate this layer again, then combine together, merge down, then again duplicate. Okay, change the blend mode, darken or multiply, goes darker. Multiply to both two image. Now I'm gonna merge down. This is normal image. Well, that's kind of cool. Let's see if I turn this one off, then go back to just 5 layers, same. So now I made this image. This is kind of cool. Let's see if I turn these layers, 5 layers, turn it off. Hair, face color, same. And this is off. Now base image off. Okay, we only got this image effect from the luminosity. Now this is cool too. I like this image. This is pencil drawing type. It's luminosity 50. Now I'm gonna divide, bring this one up. What I did is pencil drawing type image. Let's show you. Let me show you this blend mode. Turn into normal. See, this layer is only the pencil drawing type. Now turn this one off. I saw this image. I said I like this. I like it. But I don't know about these black dot. This one comes from pencil drawing type image, right? So I'm going to turn on this. This one just change the blend mode to divide. So it's going to take out from this base image black dot. Exactly the same image. So when you turn this one off, then you see again. So just turn in this. If I take the black dot off, which means take out the pencil drawing type image, right? Now it's smoothed out the image overall, but I don't know if I like this because I like the lines about here. So, well, I can make a mask on this pencil drawing type, or, well, just, let's see, still got the same kind of effect. Yeah, just divide, then make mask, create empty mask. Then I'm gonna hide this with just basic to soft round opacity. I just want to add black lines on her hair. Same time we're gonna get some black dot grains from original film, but still get these dark lines. Well, so far, okay, now again I want to try select multiple 1 and 2 this image. Now again copy layers, paste layers, then merge down, merge selected. We got 2 double. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer, then darken. No, multiply. Gets more darker, double the density. About her face, it's too dark, so I may make mask, create empty mask. Now invert mask. Now let's see, I only see this shadow area to be much more darker, so just reveal. Well, I just make mask and just hide this shadow area to be a little bit more darker. I just turn down mask density to 70. Maybe it goes nicer. Yeah, I kind of like this. Nice feeling. Leave it this way and maybe tone this blue tone down. Because this layer is combined this, let me turn this one off. Now this one, this image, right? This image is combine 1, 2, oh, not this one. Three, 4, 5, 6, then base image. Now this is a straight image. Yeah, this is this one. Same image. So I'm going to tone down this blue. I guess this blue comes from here, huh? That's right. And combine together, so it's not because of this. Turn this on back, tap. Yeah, this is the base image. This one is pencil drawing image. I just change the blend mode to divide to get out of this black dot. Well, I got this now. This is normal image. This is multiply, makes darker on just background because I have mask here. So, well, this is the result for today. Well, I'm gonna add layer on top. Then I'm gonna choose watercolor round detail this time. I just want to get watercolor texture outside border lines. Okay, cropping. Well, I guess that's about it. Well, if you don't like this, then just change size, a little more squarish. Yeah, I guess that's it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.